welcome back to Isaiah's videos, and today, we're back. And we already made slime. We mixed slime. Yeah. If you guys tell that we did this, so So, let's get my big slime out. We're just gonna show you all my slime, so you guys like my videos, so just like them. Like, don't unlike them, because if you guys unlike them, we're just not gonna give away anything. So as you guys can see, it's all sticky a little bit, but here, I'm gonna make this do. The camera might fall, guys, but yeah. I'm trying to make this go. Oh shoot, guys, this is like the worst video that I've ever done. With freaking slime got on my shirt, guys. Yeah, that was kind of pretty bad, but okay, guys. This is slime. Slime. You know what that is? Slime. And this is what it looks like this. On the bone. Yeah, see that crunching noise? That is this. And this is one slime for you guys. And then we do have like tons of more slimes. But I don't do pretty much vlogs all day. So and we have this glittery greenie. I call him Greenie. His name actually ain't Greenie, but do you guys see that? Can you guys actually see me through that? Hi. I can see you guys. And crunching noise. You guys be really quiet. So here, if you guys can hear this. So that's that. And then and then we have this orange container, and this slime is red. It's kind of like pinkish. So this is what it looks like. Like, I love it. It looks like gum actually. So if you like this slime, tell me what slime you guys like, and then I'll give you whatever slime you want. Well, not give you whatever slime, but like whatever slime that you like. Okay, guys. Camera just fell. Okay, guys, I'm back now. I'm going to be back, okay. So now I have this. It's an ice cream bowl because I couldn't find a different bowl, but now I have a different bowl, but I don't want to just keep all this little bit of slime in a huge bowl. So, there's a bowl in the way. So we have this slime right here. It is like bluish. You guys look very up closely. It's kind of glittery. Yeah. And then after this one, we have this one. This bluish one. It's all bubbly, guys. Here you guys can just... It ain't that dark, but you guys come in like real life. Like right now it's green. But the camera probably makes it look blue, but it actually ain't blue. It's actually green. So, and I will be doing Musical.ly soon. If you guys know what Musical.ly are, go on my Musical.ly account. It's Isaiah. And then we do have this is D-Girl 101's slimes, and then this is for other slime. It's not Flirt. And then she has all these other slimes, guys. So and I'm gonna show you her slimes that she has. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna show you my slimes like right now. Okay, so we have this green one, the green glittery one, blue one, this green one, bluish greenish, the glittery blue one, and then after, okay, guys. I am going to be doing wrestling videos for you guys, and I'm probably going to do a wrestling, and I'm probably going to do a wrestling video after this, so this is what it looks like. So, it's pretty nice. I love it, guys. So, these are the bowls. Hold on. I have to get my other bowl, guys. I can't find my other bowl, but I can find this bowl. It's like a Myers bowl, if you guys can see up very close. This is Myers. And and we are gonna do a video, a wrestling video. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and how to make fluffy slime is get some of this shaving cream and get some food, coloring, and yeah. And I have this phone right here. And if you guys go on, hold on, I gotta open this. Okay. If you guys watch this guy's video, these guys, let me turn it up so you guys can actually hear it. You watch Logan Paul and Logan Paula. Yeah. Jake Paul sucks. And Jake Paul is good. Jake Paul's good. If you guys are a Logan Paul or Jake Paul, go to my comments and just tell me, who are you? Are you a Jake Paul or Logan Paul? I'm just gonna say Jake Logan. Yeah, I'm a Jake Logan, and yeah, it's a Jake Paul, whatever, I don't know. And I'm gonna be giving away this free phone. It is nice, but I'm getting a different one that's brand new. And if you guys watch his videos, like that subscribe button. Look, I'm already subscribed. You guys see that? I'm gonna put a thumbs up to this boy. I did the thumbs up, guys. What else do I have to do, Logan? Want to get that merch in bio. And yeah, I just want to show you that. And like Jake Paul's videos. Yeah, it's every day, bro. And peace.